Oh, hello. Don't know whether you can actually see a lot. It's a little bit dark in the mornings these days, for some reason anyway. Not really sure why. Could be because we're coming out at the end of summer and we're going into winter. It's a bit nippy as well. But anyway, I'll show you what we've got, if you can see what we've got. You'll be able to see more in a minute when I get away from the horizon. Is it a horizon? It might be a horizon. It might be a... I don't know what it is. What do you call it? No. Anyway, we've got a T-Max. A beautiful T-Max. Let's fire the beast up and see where we go from here. Absolutely amazing. Wonderful day today, isn't it, eh? Gorgeous. Bit nippy though. And maybe, you never know, perhaps we might have an actual decent winter this winter. I mean, the last couple of winters, we haven't really had a lot, have we? No snow. It's not been like, I don't like the cold really, but at least let's have a proper winter. Anyway, we've got a T-Max 3.3, one of the best RC cars ever made. When Traxxas made that T-Max, they reinvented the Nitro RC car, at least if you ask me. So, we've already got some nitrolium in there. Let's turn all the electronicals on. Turn that one on. Oh, you're joking. Ah, come on. There we go. I thought it had been switched on by mistake for a minute then, and it had gone flat. Oh no. Don't have a very good connection in this one. It's flashing. Right, it's on, it's on, it's on. Ah, it's bloody off again. Come on. Where's Johnny Boy when you need him? John? And well. Right. Ah. Alright, it's on. It's on. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Ah, you bastard. I might have to go and get a bit of paper or something and jam it in there so it keeps them. Oh dear. Okay, it's on. Right, we've got the green light. Don't touch it too hard. Right. That's on. Now with this one, the exhaust pipe doesn't actually come out where it's supposed to. Look, it touches on there, it melts a little bit, so that's alright though, isn't it? I think that's alright. I mean, I think Johnny Boy said it's alright, so if it's good enough for John, it's good enough for me, mate. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, eh? Hey, hey? Hey, what's going on here? Oh, you idiot. Charged up the battery, didn't I? But I didn't plug it in because I thought to myself, I'll be smart and I won't. Oh. Ah, no. It's all falling apart. It's all falling apart, literally. The day's falling apart in front of my eyes. Right, there we go. Plus and minus. That can't be good, can it? That can't be. That just can't be good. Well, the light lights up, so hopefully that is jammed in there enough. I haven't got the want to mess around this morning. I just oh bloody hell, I've got a wire coming out. You know, I haven't got the want to mess around. I just, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'll be happy regardless. See, what is the matter with this? We had this going, didn't we? Eh? We had this going. There we go. This rotor start system revolutionised it, but if it don't want to fire, it don't want to fire. Engine's not cold. There we go. We'll let her warm up a bit. Because I think it's a little bit nippy around here for it. We'll let it warm up and we'll give it a blast. Oh, when they made this T-Max, revolutionised it. That's starting one thing, probably one of the best things that ever happened. It made it easy for people to get into it. Didn't put them off as much. Here we go. Ain't got much of a turning radius, have we? What's going on here? I don't know how you settle that. Second gear don't seem to be working very well. Oh, there goes their second gear. Very, very quiet, this one. This is a 3.3, this one. Oh, maybe second gear ain't working. There it is. Second gear. Don't think the throttle's really set up that well. Flies though, absolutely flies like a rocket. What a fantastic car. They really did make a fantastically iconic monster truck with that. Rivals the Savage like mad. You know, there's a proper rival there for the Savage. It's incredibly quiet for some reason. Don't really know why these ones are so quiet. It's because of that 2.5 exhaust on there. You can barely hear it. If you had to run this in a place where noise was an issue, you couldn't make too much noise. You couldn't make a lot of noise. This would be the car. Second gear doesn't always work. There it is. Oh, does that fly? What a fantastic engine. Fantastic monster truck. Traxxas T-Max, man. They're the ones. The smell of the nitro, the look of the smoke. I might change the exhaust on it, to be fair. I might change the exhaust on it to make it a bit better. It'll open it up a little bit and it'll make it sound a bit better as well. I might do that. Oh, second gear. It's opening up now. This engine was barely ran in. In fact, it probably wasn't running. I don't think it was running at all. It is now. Yeah, it bloody well is now. Oh, yeah. Really opened up now. What an amazing monster truck. Absolutely amazing. They really did make an iconic truck. Well done, Traxxas. They need to keep making them. Keep making them, Traxxas. Come on. Don't stop. Get rid of the electric ones. Get rid of the electric gay E-Maxes. Keep making these things. Always loved a T-Max. Always loved a T-Max. T-Max and a Savage. Let's go over here. Oh, that can't be good. I've got a stone in my wheel there. Amazing. I think we're going to run out of nitro in a minute. No, we've got a little dribble in the bottom of that tank. This engine's really opening up now. It could do with a bit of a tune, but I mean, right, it's doing its thing, isn't it? You asking me, like, what's a really good monster truck to buy? Nitro monster truck. Traxxas T-Max. Traxxas T-Max. HPI Savage or Traxxas T-Max. They're the ones. They're the ones, my friends. Can't go wrong. Just cannot go wrong. Iconic as well, as I keep saying. I've got a stone in the wheel again. Keeps getting a stone stuck in the wheel and it makes it spin round. I think some of the reason why it's quiet is because the exhaust is hitting this body shell. It's hitting the shell and it's quietening it a little bit. Hopefully it might melt a hole in it in a minute. I might get the real exhaust for it, because this is a 2.5 exhaust, not a 3.3 engine. I might get myself a 3.3 exhaust, or just put a modified exhaust on it. One of the best cars in the world. Can't get better. Amazing. Run out of nitro. We're out of nitro, friends. We're out. I'm sure you'll agree. Fantastic. Absolutely nothing short of being amazing. Just out of this world car, this is. Let's put it there, look. Look at that. Traxxas T-Max. One of the best cars in the world. Well, there we go. You've joined me on a rather nippy morning, Monday morning, in this wonderful world that we live in. Absolutely fantastic morning. A little bit chilly, like I said, but that T-Max was amazing. I really recommend, if you're looking to get yourself a nitro car, yeah, find yourself a decent T-Max or a Savage if you want a monster truck, either one of those. If you want a buggy, get like a Hyper 7 or an MP9. Anyway, I'll catch you lot on the next one. Remember, everything is brilliant, man. Just get off your pocket deaf device. Stop scrolling on the old TikTok and the Snapchat and all that rubbish. Get out there, do some things, you know, and you'll realise, out in the practical world, there's so much more to be seen. I'll catch you next one. Take care. All the best.